Hi everyone, my name is Victor, and if you're like me, you've been suffering from tinnitus for most of your adult life. After trying all sorts of medications and even considering surgery, I finally found a method that I can honestly say cured my condition once and for all. Thomas Coleman's holistic approach to curing tinnitus worked for me. It was a lifesaver for me and my family, and I would suggest it to anybody who has been suffering from this condition for a long time. If you'd like to get additional information regarding this program, simply enter your information below and get started today. I know what an annoying condition it can be and how debilitating it can be as well. So don't delay, start today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.